Hello everybody, I'm Chef Francesco. Welcome back to my channel. For who is new here, make sure to subscribe to learn more about Italian cuisine. Today guys, I really want to share with you a super easy recipe to impress whoever comes to your home. Homemade potato gnocchi, butter and sage sauce. For this recipe, the ingredients also are very simple. You will need flour, potatoes, sage, butter, Parmesan cheese or Grana Padano cheese, salt and 1 egg. Start with the potatoes, put them in a cold water, add a pinch of salt and cook until ready. So our potatoes are ready. To check if the potato is ready, you just use this bamboo skewer. You just go on the middle, as you can see, is enter very easy. It means the potato is ready. Now we can start to remove all the potatoes. Now we leave it to cool down for 10 minutes and then we are going to peel all of them. You can smash the potatoes with the different tools. It depends on what you have in your kitchen. You can use a fork, you can use a smasher, or you can use a potato smasher. It's very important to choose high quality potatoes that contain high percentage of starch, which will make it more easy to make your dough. One more. After smashing the potatoes, add flour, add the cheese, a pinch of salt, and the egg. Mix it properly and give a rectangular shape. Cut out the slice and roll it. Then cut into small pieces. And give the shape with a fork. Now is the time to make the sauce. This actually is the most easiest part. You just need to add in a pan butter and melt it, then slice the sage and add it together. At the same time, put your gnocchi into a boiling water with the salt. It will take only 2 minutes to be ready. To make a creamy your gnocchi, just add a little bit of boiling water into the pan. Now we have a beautiful creamy gnocchi with the sage. Guys, it's just amazing. If you like the gnocchi and I like it, it's really amazing. Comment below, smash the like button and subscribe to help my channel to grow and to show more recipes about Italian cuisine.